Hello and welcome back to another creative list. I'm your host Angela and I hope you enjoy. Today I have a very exciting video with over 25 more ideas to upcycle your old jeans into new clothes from the fantastic creators at Pinterest. There are some really beautiful ideas in this list and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning ideas. This skirt is really easy to make. Simply cut the inside seams off of both pant legs. Then sew fabric in a triangle shape between the two legs. That's it, you're done. You have a cute skirt. Make a skirt out of several pant legs and the waistband of a pair of pants. Then cut the skirt up one side to the waistband and hem both sides. Use grommets to make holes and lace up the grommets downward and stopping at the 3/4 mark. Open up the seam on the insides of each pant leg. Sew the back two legs together to make the back of the skirt. You may need to add extra fabric to ensure that the front shows both the pant legs and the triangle of fabric. Add a triangle piece of fabric to the front, add a flower, and you are set. For this project, if you have pants that are really tattered at the bottoms, you can make shorts. Or just use some shorts that you have lying around. Now all you need to do is find some trim at your local craft store and sew it to the bottom of the jean shorts. Small change, big upgrade. Start by opening the seams on the inner pant leg. Next, sew the back two legs together and the front two legs together, creating a skirt. Before sewing together, be sure to cut the pants to the length of your skirt, adding seam allowance. On either side of the middle of the pant leg in front, cut a slit that goes up about 3/4. Attach a triangular piece of fabric to the parts you just slit. See the picture for reference. Be sure to hem everything when you're done, and you have yourself a cute and unique skirt. First, cut your jeans into the desired length of jean you would like to show on your skirt. Then, open the back and front inner leg seams and sew them back together to make a skirt. Cut the bottom of your jeans in the desired flow. Take a long piece of fabric about 1 foot or less in width, gather and sew all around the perimeter of the jeans part of the skirt. You will notice that the bottom fabric will flow with the top cut, and this is the look we're going for. Cut the top off of a pair of jeans just below the zipper. Separate the pants remaining into 4 pieces by cutting away any seams that hold them together. Create some curves in your pant legs as shown in the image, and add them to the middle of each side, front and back. Get some fabric and lay your creation out on it. Use the wavy cut denim to trace out the pattern for the 4 strips that will be sewn in between the wavy pant legs. If you desire, you can hand paint, use an iron-on transfer, or an applique to recreate the art on the one front pant leg of your skirt. Take a jean jacket and cut various pieces from it, leaving the seams. Then sew lace fabric into everywhere that was cut out. Not that warm anymore, but definitely a gorgeous statement piece. To recreate this look, take a pair of preferably skinny jeans and slit them up the outer sides about to the mid-thigh area. Cut your open legs down the sides to make less jean material at the bottom. Leave a 2-inch gap so the jeans still fit around your ankles and will go over your foot to take off. Last, cut some lace to fill in your slit and be sure to hem all the bottoms. See the image for reference if you have any questions, or you can write me a comment and I will answer it. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video, and if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a creative post. If you like patchwork, this upcycle is for you. To create this look, first make a skirt out of a pair of jeans. The tutorial for this will be coming soon. Next, you'll need to sew on the patches, leaving a seam on the outside to be frayed after washing. You don't just have to use jeans for the patchwork, try some other fabrics as shown in the picture. Today's video was brought to you by me, so please have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button to help support my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.